Hi everyone, welcome to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom using 2 toilet tubes, a ball of wool and some scissors. So to start with, we're going to find the end of the wool and we're going to take our 2 toilet tubes and we're going to hold them carefully in our hands and we're going to start wrapping the wool gently around the tubes. We don't need to pull it tight because we don't want the toilet tubes to crush. So we're just going to go round gently and start wrapping the wool around, keeping the tubes as level as possible. Once we get going, you can hold it that way, that's a bit easier. Then we need to try and keep the wool flat and even so it doesn't bunch up in the middle. So I'm going to keep going round from left to right. Depending on how many times you do this, depending on how fluffy your pom-pom becomes, I'm going to wrap this round approximately 200 times, as I found that gave a nice fluffy plumped up looking pom-pom. So we're just going to keep going, keep wrapping and keeping it as even as possible. Then, when you've wrapped it round your desired number of times, we're going to cut off the edge of the string and stand the pom-pom there. We're going to cut another piece of the wool and then we're going to wrap that down through the centre of the 2 tubes and we're going to turn it over and we're going to tie it on this side. This is going to hold all the wool together for our pom-pom. Then, when we've got it like that, we're going to try and slide out the toilet tubes, keeping the wool level at all times. Then we're going to tie it tight, like so, and tie it in a double knot. Then I'm just going to turn it over and tie it again to make sure it is nice and tight. Then I'm going to take my scissors now and I'm going to start cutting through all the loops that I've made. Making sure you get right down into the middle ones. And go all the way round to the other side. If you do miss any, you can always go back and have a check and re-snip any of them. Okay, then once you've got your pom-pom, then now's the opportunity to check for any hoops that you've missed and to start trimming it so it looks neat. So I'm going to trim the edges now. Keep trimming around the edge. And there we have it. There we have our pom-pom made with wool and toilet tubes. Hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you on my next one. Bye!